just done a victory lap. Mubarakbad.
Thank you very much.
The defending champions win the first game.
It's
and
nice.
Special day for you because you have all your babies here with you.
All my babies here. I'm like, my son is here, daughter's here, and the small one is here. First match for him. And first of all, to everybody in the studio, Samir, Sidhu Saab, and Shoaib Bhai, Assalamu alaikum and good evening. And yeah, this is a happy moment to start in the home game with a win.
I have to say, he took to the crowd and all this adulation like a fish to water. He was loving it. He also, I realized he was trying to give Gautam a hug after he won.
Yeah,
just like you
give
did.
him a high five at least. And it's nice because I want my children to enjoy sports in this game, and I love IPL, and it's very personal to me. So I feel extremely happy that my kids come and understand the value of losing, and Ed was winning, had to be. All three were here. You can't come with 3 kids and let them down.
And you came with more than 3. They were all there. A lot of their
I tweeted today. I'm like a school teacher today, from nursery to the higher secondary. Yeah. We have all of them here.
We have Sharipa, who is our father figure, in the studio. Sharipa, कुछ 2 लाइन, 4 लाइन, 6 लाइन, 8 लाइन?
नहीं यार, मैं आज सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ खान साहब, मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ, आप कौन सी संजीवनी बूटी खाते हो गुरु? आप जवानी को छोड़ ही नहीं रहे हो यार. जितना आपकी उम्र बढ़ती जा रही है उतने आप यंग होते जा रहे हो. इसका राज क्या है गुरु, बताओ तो सही.
सिद्धू साहब, बच्चे पैदा करते जाओ, यंग रहोगे.
हम 2 हमारे 12.
Not that.
I think you made him blush. I think you finally
I made you blush a
managed to
little.
make him blush.
But congratulations खान
शरीफा, क्या हो गया? क्लीन बोल्ड हो गए? जवाब नहीं आया कुछ उस तरफ से.
बिल्कुल.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Sidhu साहब.
But खान साहब, एक बात बताइए. I mean, what is this feeling of being a mentor, a facilitator to a great side, a side that you've really built from scratch, my dear sir?
You know, I would honestly like to take the whole responsibility for it, but I'd be lying. I just stand by them. There's of course Gautam and the rest of the boys, and Venki sir and Jay Bhai. I think they spent so much time that they have completely made sure that I am now just the packaging of the team. और जब मैं बोरिंग हो जाता हूँ तो अपने बच्चों को लेकर आता हूँ. I just come and cheer. I'm the cheerleader for the team. Now we have 3 of them. We can be actually on the podium.
लो फिर लाइनें खान साहब, आपके लिए 4 लाइनें.
To be really honest, I love my team, and we're sticking by boys who I think are international level players, and I think they're very hungry to make it there, and each one of them has done so well. Not only tonight, for the last 3 or 4 years.
खान साहब, this one is for you. आकाश की कोई सीमा नहीं, पृथ्वी का कोई तोल नहीं, साधु की कोई जात नहीं, और पारस और शाहरुख खान का कोई तोल नहीं, कोई मोल नहीं. खत्म.
ऐसा मत बोलो, अगले मैच अगर ठीक नहीं गया तो बहुत गालियां पड़ेंगी.
नहीं,
उल्टा भी पड़ सकता है. पर आज के लिए ठीक है.
सिद्धू साहब ने बोला था, मैंने नहीं बोला था.
उन्होंने बोला. बिल उन पे फाड़ दिया जी. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
हमारा एक सिंपल सा रूल है KKR में, till you win the finals, be humble.
अरे वाह, lest you stumble.
It's worked for you twice. It's worked for you twice, so why not?
उसके बाद देखना, शर्ट वर्ट उतार के हम नाचेंगे.
Inshallah, third time. Shoaib, do you have I think you had a question as well.
जी शाहरुख भाई, सलाम आपको. आदाब, बहुत आदाब करता हूँ.
वालेकुम सलाम.
मैं गौतम गंभीर के साथ था. वो कह रहे थे कि ये शाहरुख खान जो है ये बेस्ट ओनर है सारे IPL में, जिसकी गवाही मैं भी देता हूँ. कहते हैं मुझे वो सब कुछ करने देते हैं जिसकी मैं तमन्ना करता हूँ, और आज रिजल्ट आपके सामने है.
जिसका मतलब है मैं आता ही नहीं हूँ कहीं मीटिंग के अंदर, ना मैं बात करता हूँ. मैं ओनर इन एब्सेंशिया हूँ. ये बड़ा था यार कि हमारा ओनर है ही नहीं. बट लेट मी टेल यू, जब हमारी टीम के ओनर खुद गौतम हो, और आप खुद खेल चुके हो हमारे साथ, मुझे लगता है कैप्टन को ओनर होना चाहिए, और वो कैप्टन है, तो मुझे आने की जरूरत नहीं.
Khan Saab,
Dhoni also doesn't do too many team meetings, so I think that's the secret of success. That's the secret to success.
Khan Saab,
well, I think we have your son running around again. Where is he? Where did he go? Oh, he was just here. We've lost him again. Is he? Oh, there he is.
अरे इधर बुला लो, उसको बैन ना कर दें यार.
Running on the pitch, 25% match fee. 25% match fee deducted straight away. Straight away. Are you going to be, I think what a lot of the KKR fans want to know, are you going to be here at Eden Gardens for, will you try to be here for all the
No,
games?
I will, inshallah, because I've kind of hurt myself, so I'm off work for some days. So yes, I will try and come here. Tonight was very important because my children, after a long time, I'm together with them because कोई कहीं पढ़ रहा है, कोई कुछ कर रहा है, कभी कोई उठता है. तो आज ये मौका खत्म हो चुका है. लेकिन बढ़िया, inshallah, I will come for all the matches, and I have to. You have to be in Kolkata.
देखिए, God forbid you never get injured, you're always healthy.
No,
पर
it's
अगर
okay, it's a good
अगर आप
excuse.
उसकी वजह से यहाँ आए तो थोड़ी सी निगल आपको हो जाए तो उसमें कोई बुरी बात
नहीं कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, अपनी फिजियोथेरेपी डिपार्टमेंट है तो इनके साथ ठीक कराऊंगा
इनके
ना.
साथ काम हो जाता है यहाँ पे. Shoaib, sorry, you had a question.
Khan Saab, what does Kolkata mean to you?
I mean, to be really honest, मैं जो अपने काम करता हूँ वो करता हूँ, उसमें मैं प्रोफेशनल हूँ. अच्छा बुरा दिन वो मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. बट कोलकाता ने जो प्यार हमको दिया है, और उस समय उस वक्त जब हम उस तरह परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहे थे जिस तरह लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे, और जितने भी लोग हैं, दादा और जितनी भी हमारी टीम्स थी पिछले 7 साल से, सब ने बहुत प्यार से और बहुत कोशिश की थी. बट वी फेल शॉर्ट. बट द ओनली थिंग दैट केप्ट अस गोइंग इज कोलकाता. And I can't explain this to you, that the fact that I've got my under 2-year-old son here is to introduce him to the maximum love that I've got anywhere in the world while failing repeatedly. And I want him to know that people who love you, they love you unconditionally. So I thank Kolkata for unconditional love.
Just one quick word for, I mean, there's obviously 7 other teams here and their fans and their supporters. One team wins, 7 lose at the end of a tournament. To them as well, just like the Kolkata crowd has done to you, stuck by you during the hard days, because that's when the team needs you the most.
Yeah, I think, the fans all over the country, just like how they are for the Indian team. And I think it's beautiful that, in Bengaluru, in Chennai, in Punjab, everywhere, wherever we go, in Rajasthan, Mumbai, everywhere that we go, the teams, the crowds love you. And I just have one request, you love your team, but everyone, especially here and some other cities that I've been to, appreciate good cricket. And we believe in that ourselves. Our last tweet, which always comes from KKR before the game starts, is best of luck to the opposite team. And that's a have in a team. That हमारे पास जो खेलने आई है यहाँ पर, उनकी मेहमान नवाजी बड़े प्यार से और कोशिश से करना, और जीतने की कोशिश जरूर करना, लेकिन मेहमान नवाजी उससे बेहतर होनी चाहिए.
अरे वाह वाह.
Sam, sorry, you wanted to ask something?
Yeah, Shahrukh bhai, first of all, congratulations. A fantastic victory for you guys. Continuing the great form
Thank you,
from
Sam.
last year. Shahrukh bhai, we know you like to celebrate. I was there with you last time. Me do the cartwheels on the field, wearing a suit. This time, if you win it once again, how are the celebrations going to be like for you? Will you fly off the stadium this time?
No, Sam, I'll just make sure that you take off your suit this time completely. I'll make you do a cartwheel. No suit. I'll in your birthday suit this time, I'll make you do cartwheel.
All right.
I've done it all, Sam. You're the one in trouble, Sam, not me now. Okay, you see now.
I shall come prepared.
And even
I shall
we are
come
going to
prepared,
win the
Shahrukh bhai.
finals. And to everybody who's watching this, I'm really sorry, but Sam in the birthday suit, somersaults and cartwheels when you win the finals.
समीर, इसे कहते हैं उड़ता तीर. इतना ही बोलेंगे सिर्फ. कुल्हाड़ी जो है पैर पे ऐसे नहीं मारनी चाहिए. अब आपने मार ली, ट्रैक सूट पहन के आना फाइनल पे और कार्टवील करनी पड़ेगी. हम स्टूडियो में देख के मैं
तेरे को भेज दूंगा वापस. मैं स्टूडियो में बैठ लूंगा.
चलिए हम एक मैं नहीं जा रहा. यो सेम स्कूल both of you.
और गौरव तो इतना बेशर्म है, हंसते हंसते कर देगा.
गौरव
इसी बात पे एक break ले लेते हैं. I think we've said too much.
बास्केट पहन के.
We've said too much now. We've said too much. We're going to take a little break. Thank you so much for talking to us. Thanks so much. Always a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Goodbye.